Good morning and welcome to the 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Brief. We currently have largely clear skies over Wallops this morning with temperatures expected to climb to around 70 degrees come early afternoon and winds expected to be modest of a more northerly heading before undergoing a shift to blow out of the southeast as we move through our afternoon. As always, taking a look at our big picture here, we do have a boundary off to the south over North Carolina with a high pressure system overhead and progressively moving offshore come this afternoon. Further west over the Midwest region, we can see our next low pressure system, which is generating some active weather, and that is expected to progress through the Ohio Valley before ultimately reaching our area come tomorrow morning. As far as our current observations on the field go, we once again have a few upper level clouds at around 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibility and winds out of the north at about 7 knots. Temperatures currently sit just under 60 degrees and relative humidity lies just under 60%. And pulling up our satellite imagery from this morning, we can see that light upper level cloud deck is drifting overhead, and we are also starting to see some cloud cover associated with that active weather out west. That cloud cover is beginning to push its way into the western mid-Atlantic region, which will ultimately reach us here tomorrow or later this afternoon. Taking a look at our Euro model here, we can see that active weather making its way into our area early tomorrow, with the heaviest of it all expected around midday and the precip slowly tapering off come late afternoon, evening. It is also worth noting that many models do show the potential for another round of rain or even an evening thunderstorm overnight. Pulling up our 24-hour risk chart here, we do have some color on the board introducing those precip chances with a pretty good chance come early Wednesday morning, along with the chance of a rumble of thunder and some gusty winds, maybe necessitating a wind advisory. As the day progresses, those precip chances and overall intensity should increase before tapering off overnight. And looking at our TAF here, we can see that those upper level clouds, which progressively throughout the day do begin to lower and ultimately fill in before we see largely overcast skies come the end of the 24-hour period. Pulling up the short-term weather board, Wednesday we are looking at a cloudy day with rain likely and a chance of an isolated thunderstorm with a high around 64%. Wednesday night, cloudy with lingering showers and a possible overnight thunderstorm, a low of 59, and even some lowered ceilings and lowered visibility due to an abundance of moisture in the area. And Thursday, mostly cloudy with a chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm and a high of 72 with yellow across the board for Thursday. And that is going to conclude our 8:15 weather outlook. I will be back at 10 with the 7-day outlook. Thank you.